Okay, welcome in everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful, fabulous day. My kids are home, so apologize for the background noise. That's what it is. Yes, ma'am, Beth. Yes, ma'am. Oh, unbelievable. Okay. Yeah, you come stab me with a pen, girl. Huh? I got $25,000 of life insurance on you, huh? Yeah, you definitely got more on me for sure. All right, let's get started. So here we go. Market down 1%. Wow. And y'all, I mean, do y'all see what I see? Did I not say, look here, we're gonna go back to point of control. I'll be dogged if we hit. I mean, how does daddy know? I even said, rewind the tape. I even said we're gonna fill in some of these gaps. Well, I'll be darned. So now we're oversold. This is a bullish chart. It looks like we would definitely want to go up from here. Who knows? But I definitely say, now we can hang in here for a long, long time, but over the next 10 days, it's going to want to come back into a fair price zone. All right. Now, I don't have a lot of time before the market closes, so we won't go through a lot of stuff. AD negative 315, blah, 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 blah. Anything to say here? Nothing. Nothing to say. All right. It's just the market. All right. So what we got to do, let's get our spreadsheets going, because this is where the big decisions are made. So let's go to Tastyworks account first. And let's see how we do. Where's my dead gun? Where's my net leg tab? Oh, here we go. Net leg 10, 19, 22. Do you remember where you were 35 years ago today? I was at the Alabama State Fair showing hogs. My my Yorkshire and my 35, 88, 4. I was showing pigs, and my ag teacher come out and he says, well, the stock market just crashed. And I was like, what? Stock market just crashed. Moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky. All right, so since I started tracking this, we are up in the Tasty account for $197, $167.23 today. How are we doing in comparison to the market? Market may be beating us. Let's go see. This is what I should do beforehand, so I don't show y'all the bad news, right? That's what what most people on YouTube do. They don't show the bad stuff. Let's see how we're doing in comparison to the market. You and I are up in this account 1.4%, while the market is up 0.46%. Look at us. We close nothing. Well, that's going to be hard to figure out because I'm not really entering trades in this account. All right, let's do the, shall we say, the Greeks and ratios in this little thing, which we've not been doing at all. So today, look at this, y'all. Can you get more delta neutral than that? I'm -1. I have theta of 74. The VIX, someone give me a VIX. What's the VIX? Matt, Amanda was born on this day, came in the world and crashed the market. Oh, how about that? In 1987. God, that makes me feel old because I was 17 years old when Amanda was born. Wow, man.
I got a VIX of 31, Bobby.
31. Thank you, Rick. All right, so VIX of 31 tells me that we could be at 0.4. We're fine. Our deltas are fine. What's my buying power pair usage in that account is 7660.13. 7660.13. Ta-da! Hallelujah, praise the Lord. See how that is? Isn't that awesome? Now, here's how I need to show y'all how I've been trading that account, because I went the whole time not showing y'all nothing. And I know what you're thinking. He's been hiding stuff. He's been adding money to the account. He's been, think what you. All right, here we go. So let's go over here. What is this sneaky son of a gun doing? Here's what I manage this account. I go, up $115.13. What's my positions? Okay, I got some stuff expiring in 2 days. The max that those put debit spreads could get is $50, $38.50, $38.30. They're both in the money, right? Control, close position, closing at 48.25. Most I could get for them is 50. Do I need them on? And that's what I've been doing, really, in that account. So I guess what you could do is kind of do this, right? We could go over here and go, what do they look like? Let's see. Let's go to trade. Let's go to curve. Let's go to analysis. And then let's take them all off. Now take everything off except what we got here. How about this one? 2 days. So here's the 38.80 and the 38.30. What's that look like? What I was wanting to see is it Theo. There we go. Yeah, that's what we do. This is Theo today at expiration. Don't look right. This crap is that not look right. Expiration on Theo. Theo looks good, right? So where's the price at? Where's the daggone price? So here's a negative, here's a negative. What do we do? Oh, here's price right down here. So if are we gonna go above 38.20, 38? I don't think so. I don't think I gotta do anything. My Greeks don't tell me to do anything. I'm just gonna let them go for now. Now we'll close them before the end of the week because I don't want to pay assignment and all those fees, right? We don't want to pay fees for these in the money options expiring. But really, there's nothing to do in this account today. Does everybody see me? Everybody see what I'm saying? There's nothing to do. It's a good trade. I mean, I am the stuff of champions. Market down 1%. I'm up $110.36 on the day. Behave, huh? Nothing to do. Let's go with the other accounts. Now, let's see here. Oh, now I do need to tell y'all. So nobody says, hey, I watched your video yesterday, you fat black glass wearing bastard, you. And I know what you're thinking. You changed your net lit from yesterday. Yes, I did. I went back in and redid it. Why? Because remember it showing me was down like $900 and $3,000 in another account. We were getting some wonky information on both brokers. So I go, it must have been an exchange problem or something. So we were getting some funky numbers yesterday. So nobody panicked. Nobody say Bobby went back and changed his number. Yes, I did. I'm always worried, y'all, that darn guru leaks on whatever is going to like say, the bastard lost $3,000 and he changed the number. No. I just want
Dad, I'm supposed to stop that here. So do I have to read this part?
you got to read the where, baby?
I have to learn to chapter 10. So,
Okay, that's chapter 10. Yeah.
so
If you read to chapter 10, you don't have to read chapter 10. If they said read through chapter 10, then you got to read through chapter
there's a read through not
through 9.
7
Read
through-
up to
No, Daddy, 7
Yeah.
through
7 through 9. Okay.
So
Yeah.
so do I just stay? I do not
Right. You
read.
don't reach at 10. Right. You don't read 10. That's my boy. Look at me. Huh? Am I super parent here or what? Let's see how much we got. All right. So we're at 26, 615, 38. 26, 615, 38. No, I'm going about 26, 615, 38. 26, 615, 38. Praise the Lord Jesus and hallelujah.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Now let's record everything here. So we are at 7.23 deltas. 7.23. Sorry, that background. 37.28 in theta. 37.28. So we're at 0.14. Rick says VIX is 31. I could be as high as 0.4. See, I really didn't need to close that Nicky put yesterday, y'all, because we were getting wonky, bookie strikes, right? That's okay. No big deal. I closed. I took some profits. 52.71 in the old buying power. 52.71. So we're using 20% of our buying power. We could use 40. We have 7 deltas. We could have 80. We're using 0.14 in theta. We could be using 0.4. Okay. Now what do we do in this camp? Well, in this camp, we do have a little decision tree, right? That's market is down. So does it say to make a trade? It says, yeah, put on the trade. Why? And the reason is I can be using much more theta, right? So we're going to put on a trade over here. And when I do it over here, I do it in the Tasty account. No need for me to change now. So we said we don't got to do nothing over here, but we're going to do something. So it says make a trade. Okay, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to do our 112. Why 112? Because we've kind of decided in this options environment that 111s are a little too close. A little too close for, oh, baby, is that a rabbit or a dog? That's so cute, just beautiful, thank you. So let's go over here and build. Thank you, baby. Can I put that on my desk? Look what she got me the other day. She bought this one. This is awesome. It's a cone, like a traffic cone. So it's awesome. She was looking for one that said awesome daily. Well, they love me. I know they do. All right, so let's go trade. Let's go table. Where's my dadgum table at? What's the problem? What's the problem? Where's my dadgum? Where's my stuff at? Where's my? I'm trying to trade for the love. Rick. Hello, Rick. Okay, here we go. I don't know where it went. Okay, here we go. 59 days. So we're going to do a long put vertical. Long put vertical 50 wide. Y'all know how it works, right? It's 35, 36, 40, 36, 9. We're going to move that down to where we're going to pay $10 for that. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Look how far we're going down. 10, that's 1025. 975 is right there. Hey, so we don't overlap strikes. We've already discussed one. So that's 950. So we could probably get filled at 975. So let's show what the trade looks like. Let's do this. So we'll get that for 950, and then we need to sell 2 that we can get like $10 in or so. So 9, 10, that's 10, 11, 12. Let's do it about the 2,800, right? And let's see what that looks like. So we do 2 of those. So let's do quantity of those, and let's just see what this looks like. All right, so let's say, let's do analysis, curve, and analysis. Here we go. So what does our 112 look like? Let me check all this other garbage on. Take this off, take that off. All right, so this is what our trade looks like. This is what our trade looks like. So it looks like we could make it, maybe get around, $12, $13 for this trade. And let's see if we can scroll down. I said, let's see if we can scroll down. Who's it not with that? Oh, here, the expiration. There we go. Now, take the video off with expiration. So everybody see our little trade here? Okay, here we go. This looks good. So, market keeps going up, we keep the credit, right? We keep the money that we brought in, whatever it is, 1275 times 5, $60 or something. If the market goes down, we have this nice little buffer. And if we expire in here, says our profit and loss at expiration is the width of the strikes, right? Plus, we get to keep the credit that we had from selling the naked puts, right? So that's why we like this trade. We love this trade. It's just a beautiful, beautiful little trade. Hey, well, y'all shut. Hey. Y'all hear Daddy in a session and y'all just arguing like a bunch of little heathens. Now stop it.
That's me.
Right, so let's go back to the table and let's fill our trade. So I'm going to take this leg off and let's fill our put debit spread first. 975. See if we get filled at 10. Come on, baby. Yep. And what do we say? 2,800. 2,800. We're going to do 2 of these. And put our 112 on. We're going to move that to the mid price. There you go. 2 of them. Ta-da! Oh, dang it. Dang nabbit.
Now we're friends.
Oh, I like it when y'all friends. Y'all keep being friends. They'd be lost out of here. All right, so we're feeling 112. Questions on that? We're in a 112 in this account. Now, am I going to go back and am I going to do what Ed does and automatically redo my Greeks? No, do it for your decision, right? Don't go back and redo it. Do your decisions. We'll fill it in again tomorrow. Forget it. It's done. What is done is done. And remember, in this account, I'm not even recording my trades. I'm not grouping. I'm not doing anything. I'm just going to close this, get it out of the way. All right. So now let's go to the little Crimson account. Let's put on the same trade. So we'll go over here. And we'll go trade. Let me pull this over to the side. We're going to do the same little trade over here. Oh, I love this. Y'all love this? Now, we're going to deviate from the norm. Today, I am going to enter these trades separately. Remember, our new goal is to manage them a little bit differently. So we're going to go to this 58 days. And I'm going to enter the put debit spread first. Now, you can do whichever one you want to, but normally you'd enter the put debit spread first. So we're going to do the 3,400, 3,350. 3,400, 3,350. Here we go, 3,400, we're gonna buy. Hold your control key down. And sell at 33.50, right there. Right, $10. Let's see if we can get filled for $10. Fill me, baby. Yeah. So then we're gonna go in and we're gonna sell the 2,800 way on down here. Way on down here. And we're gonna sell that puppy for $11.25. I said we're gonna sell it for $11.25. We'll sell 2 of them. Now they fuss like it's all day long. It's like, I don't know, man. I was talking to my acupuncturist today. She says, you're brave to have 5 kids. I said, brave or stupid? I said, it's a thin line. So we got filled here for 11. Yeah, got filled for 11. So let's go put them in. So this is gonna freak some of y'all out because we're gonna do it separately. So we're gonna go on the NP and spreads trade. You say you won't have the spreadsheet. You will if you are a Muscadine Mafia member, right? Pop in Muscadine Mafia and you will have those. So we're gonna do a put debit spread. Right, we're doing one tranche. Yeah, we'll call this PBS 4. PBS 4. And we did the 3,400, 3,500, no, 3,400, 3,400, 3,350 strike. Puts debit spread, 58 days, 10, 19, 22. And we got filled for, when did $10 even we got filled for? Double check. $10. $10, yes. So then we're going to go put in our naked put in the micros. We did one tranche, and we'll call him, MP30. And again, I don't even think we gotta lump them anymore. You ain't gotta even lump them if you don't want to anymore. I think those days are over unless you keep wanting to do it. So we did the 2,800 puts. That's a 2 trancher, isn't it? 2 trancher. Yep. So naked, 58 days, 10, 19, 22. And we got $11 for that. Now, you know, those kind of go together, don't they? I mean, I kind of put these on as, but I'm gonna manage them separately. So here's kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna kind of purple them up together and say, you know what? They're kind of a team. They kind of support each other. All right. So I got a PDS4 and an NP3. Let's go do that. PDS4 to NP3. So let's show our groups. PDS4. Now, again, I don't think we got to do this anymore. If you want to skip past grouping stuff now, you don't have to. So we got a PDS4 and NP3, but I'm gonna keep doing it for a while just so we can keep things so I can show y'all stuff. So this is a PDS4 and an NP3. PDS. Thank you, Beth. Will you beat some tail or something? Hey, they'll listen to Beth. They'll listen to me. So NP, what we say 3. I'm all confused now. NP3 and a we got a PDS4 and NP3. There we go. So we're all good to go. All right. Now, am I going to go back and pull an ed and do Greeks again? No. We've made our decision. We've made our bed. Okay. We're doing what we're doing. Now, is anything that we need to take care of in this account? Well, remember, old school Bobby, where we would do hello ladies, we'd go back and we'd go look at our groups and we'd go up 233%. Well, hello. Well, I mean, remember that? Y'all remember the hello ladies, right? Now I'm still going to do hello ladies because I just like saying that. Just now. But I cannot say that we're going to close this trade at 236% with 12 days to go. So here's how we got to do it now. So now here's how we do our little management. If we're going to close something, we go, okay, how we doing there, little fella? And I look at my little days here. And I go, I got to put debit spread. Right? I got to put debit spread. 3770. What do I have here? You got puts. Oh, yeah, 3770, 3720. Right? I got a 3690, 3640, and I've got a unmatched naked put. So I do have a naked put here. that we could manage. So this is where all of y'all are freaking out. Bobby, you got gamma risk. Oh, you got a club. Why? Y'all seen something like that? Why have I got to close it? Well, Bobby, what if the market goes down? Well, it went down 1% today and I'm down $11 on it. I mean, how far y'all think the market's gonna go? Right? So if we go over the analyzed tail, let's say 37.70, 37.20. Let's see if this. We can do this. Single symbol. Let's see if we can do this. 37.70, 37.20. Y'all ready? Let's see what this looks like. 37.70, 37.20. All right, would you close this? Well, let's see. Today we're up $98.25. If we hang here for what? 10, 11 days, so we're gonna be up watching kind of money. But the problem is, if we go up too much, then now our little profits get less and less and less, and at expiration, this trade could be a loser, right? Okay, I got that. So that right now, this one's up $96. Do you take the $96 and run? All right, let's do the next one. So the next one is the 36.90, 36.40. Put debit spread. Oh, behave. Now, if we think the market's going down, right, it gives us a lot of protection to the downside. It definitely does. But we have come outside of the profit hump. If and we stay here, we would be closing this for a $50 profit. Okay. So those are the kind of decisions now that we have to make, right? But the overall decision is, hey, what's my deltas? What's my Greeks? What's my whatever? And then you can even look and see, you know, how much theta am I getting from this particular trade? Here's the problem. The theta on the trade now has turned negative, right? Theta has turned negative. It's working against my theta. So, hey, what are you gonna do? I can take the profits now and run, right? I can take it now and run. I think that's exactly what I'm gonna do on that one. Now I want to look at the other one more time. Let's see what theta is spitting out. If it's negative, price slices here, still has positive theta. So, you know, it may go up, may go down, but it's still a nice little for the outside. So if I'm making the decision on whether to open or close, you know, I got one now that's kind of working against me. He's taking my theta off. Now he does give me a little bit of downside protection, but is there really any reason to keep him on? This one right here, huh? Not really. Not really at all, is there? 36.40, 36.90. That one I'm gonna take off. So let's go find him. 36.40, 36.90. 36.40, 36.90. 36.40, 36.90. All right, so hold your control key down. So we bought this for $10, and now we can sell it for $20. Okay, let's do that. I paid $50 for it, and maybe I can close it for 27. I mean, for whatever it is. I bought it for 50, so we're gonna go 1975, and we can sell it for 95.81. Come on, get me out of it. There, we're out for 1975. Okay, now, how do I account for that in my spreadsheet since we didn't have that one locked up? Well, it's pretty easy. All I got to do is go over here to the monitor tab, and we'll find out what group he was in again. Right, and it looks like he was in 11119. It's gone. We closed that yesterday. It is 11120th. 11120th. Looks like he's fine. 11121st. He's fine. 11122nd. He's fine. Put debit spread. That's probably not just to put debit spread in. No, just trying to find him. Where you at, little friend? Where you at, little friend? Come here, baby. You hiding in here somewhere, aren't you? Where is that? He in the naked put. Here he is. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it took him out of wherever he was at. Let's see. Where was he at, y'all? PPS 4 could not be. Where was he in? Hold on. Y'all help me find it. Rick, where you at? We need Rick. Yo, Rick. Where's he at?
Sorry, Bobby, I'm looking too.
Okay, where was he at? How am I missing him? I mean, he had to be in one of the 111 groups, right? Okay, let's find him. So we did the 3690, 3640. Let's go find him. 3690, 3640. So he's probably over here. 3690, 3640. Let's find him. We'll find him. 3690. Oh, no wonder. Look, we had already closed his brother down yesterday. That's why. All right. So we closed him. This is good. This will make sure this works out right. So we closed the naked put for 825 or a debit of 825, right? So we closed that for a debit of 825. Let's do all our little math. So we got a debit of 42.72, right? 72, Bobby. 72, that's money going out. And today we got a credit of 1975, create duplicate order. So we got a credit of 95.81 plus 95.81, which means we made $53.09 on the trade. Okay. So if we had a debit, y'all help me do the math in my head here. If we got 1975, I am no good at math, y'all. All right, so if we paid if we got a credit of 19.75 for this trade, and then we paid a debit of 825 minus 8.25 should mean we got an overall credit of $11.50. Am I right? That sound pretty good? Let's see if it all works out. 11.5. So closing debit price. So it was a credit. And I said it was $11.50. Let's make this a credit. So we got to make it 11.50. Means we made $53.09. Please be the same number. Yay! Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. I don't care what the devil's going to do. Word and faith in my sword and shield. Jesus said, the Lord, the way I feel. Hey, all right, so we did that. 10, 19, 22. So now, remember yesterday, I did not record our little profit onto our little spreadsheet. Remember? I said, we'll just wait till we close the whole trade. Well, lo and behold, old Big Daddy just, oh my gosh. So wait a minute, you mean we had oh, that's my closing debit. Yeah. I mean, closing debit, 1150, so 5309. Yeah, that's right, 5309. So we made a profit on the trade of 101.18 because that was our closing debit. Oh, heck yeah. 101.18, baby. I mean, that's Applebee's money. Huh? You think Daddy can't bring the family in there? We might have to order Cokes. But, I mean, that's just 101.18, baby. I mean, that ain't nothing to sneer at. So let's take our profits. Let's make this green. Now let's go put it in our little, what do you call spreadsheet? 101.18. If I can pull it up, it's been a long time since we closed anything for a profit. So let's see what we can do. So where is it at? Where is it at? Give me a second. Trader Nerd, Sweet Bobby, profit calendar. Here we go. 101.18. This thing's so old, we probably got dust on it. Look at this, y'all. We ain't closed jack squat, nothing in forever. Look at us. I mean, I'm almost embarrassed to open these. I mean, y'all might not even love me anymore, huh? Equals the sum. Now let me do a little cipher here. Little Jethro Bodine cipher in. So that gave us 99.05 for the month. Make it green, baby. Make it green. All right. That's bothering me. Format painter. Format painter. All right. So this whole week we didn't do nothing but orange. Right? We didn't close nothing. It's just orange, orange, orange. Yesterday and Tuesday, orange. But then look at these. Then look at us. This is where we come in and we make a 101. What was it? 101.18. Applebee's money. Here we go. 101.18. So we say 101.18. Look at Bobby, go. My mama said, Bobby, you will never amount to anything. Mama, look where I am today. Here we go, we'll make that all right. All right, no, wait a minute, 101.18. 101. We're making some money. Now look at us. Now you say, oh man, Bobby, you suck in the late. You ain't closed nothing. Okay, let's show look at our little. Y'all want to look at our metrics real quick, line? Let's look at our metrics. So you and I have made $4,085 in 111 trades. This is after commissions. After commissions, right? So since we started this program, let's update our data. Let's just see how we're doing. The S&P is down 15%, and you and I, even though I've done stupid trades in there, we're down 3%. Okay, that's good. We could be doing better, right? We could be doing better if I hadn't done stupid SPA and all different kind of trades. That's fine. Everything's fine. But how does our metrics look? Let's go over here. See how our metrics look. So our metrics say we're keeping 58% of the premium. We're projecting we're going to make $5,000. We're looking at 18% return. We're making about $91 a week. We're staying 20 days in the trade. $63 when we put on the new trade. Win rates 93%. And for every trade that we have a positive expectancy of $42. That should go up now that we're kind of stepping into an alternate management strategy. Whoa, am I exhausted? I'm exhausted. Yeah, that is some high-powered pollutant analysis. I'm just tired. We ain't got the second account yet. All right, let's close this crowd. Now let's go to the second account. Now, first of all, I'm probably going to put in the same trades in that account, but let's look at it quickly. All right, here we go. So let's see our little Greeks and ratios over here. So we got our profit in on the day. So our deltas are 27.29. I said our deltas are killing us. 27.29. Hey, have I not put my net lick in yet? Oh my gosh, I thought we'd already run this. 10, 19, 22. Let's go find it. Y'all help me remember it. So how do we figure out what to do there? Here we go. Net lick. 103, 158, 42. 103, 103, 180, 103, 103, 103, 185. I ain't looking again. 103, 185. 103, 185.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
3 times. I don't think we've ever played it 3 times in one show. I mean, this is just, we're on the roll, y'all. 24.71 on our deltas. Are y'all kind of getting the feeling of this? Like we're on to something? I do. Theta. What's our sweet theta? 89, 88.85. So, hey, why's that green? That ought to be 0.09, ought to be, hey. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no, can't believe that's green. That ought to be, I mean, that ought to be like, hey man, you ain't doing too good because that's less than. I don't know why it's showing up. I'll check. So let's see what our buying power usage is. So this is telling me, y'all, we can put on some trades over here. Buying power is 16,048. 16,048. What is worrying me? 16,048. So our deltas could be 310. Really? Our theta should be 0.4%. It's not. It should be a minimum of 0.1. Maybe that's a rounding thing or something. Maybe that's the case. Let's see. If you go 88.85, 88.85 divided by my net liquor. My net lick is 103. 185 is 8.61. That drives a 9. That ought not, y'all, what the, yeah. Oh,
Bobby, you probably need to check your conditional formatting on that. That's where the color comes from, I think.
yeah, let's check that real quick. Y'all, mind hanging with me a second? Let's manage our rules. So if sale value is less than or equal to J2. Oh, I see. That's a Sweet Bobby formula problem. It is less than that, so that's why it's green. But yeah, I gotta figure that out. That's right. That's right. Yeah, I gotta put in one more thing, right? If it's less than, I don't know, I'll find it. Yep, you're right, Rick. That's where it's at. I gotta fix my formula. Just when you think you got it all fixed. All right, so everything's saying I need to sell premium, y'all. And what did the market end up doing on the day? Let's see. What did we do? Oh man, that's going back up. Jeez, please. So I probably won't be able to get filled on these same things that I did in the other account. Let's see if we can. Let's go over to the Crimson account. But yes, you have to go to church. Yes, we're going to church. That's what the Gaines family does. We're going as a family. You will smile and you'll love it. Yes, you will. So let's see if we can get 11 on those two in this account. I said, let's see if we can get filled. Just cancel replace. I don't go down too much. So let's go down 1075 and let's sell 4 of them. Oh, dang it. Just when I got filled it. Let me do 2 more here. 2 more at 11. Here we go. Let's sell 2 more at 11. Come on, baby. Rejected. I'm trying to do an, oh, I see, because I bought. Jeez. Okay, y'all have already got me in a tizzy. Do I have to go to church? Well, of course you gotta go to church. Now, let's go sell 2 more. Look at us, y'all. So we sold 4 of them puppies. All right. I like it for $11. Everybody with me? We sold 2 of the 2800s. We sold 4 of them for $11. Okay. So let's go put that in that spreadsheet. This is so fun. If y'all don't enjoy it, I don't know what I can do to you. I don't know. I mean, I think we're on the verge of greatness. So we sold 4 tranches here. So we'll just call them NP, I guess 7 maybe. NP 3, 4. Bobby can't count. He did 6. We'll call this NP 7. You could put 7 and we did a 2800. Puts naked. Supposed to have been 58 days. 10, 19, 22. And we did it for $11. Look at us bringing in $214.12 after day 2. Yes. All right, let's go back to the other account. Because now we got to buy our put debit spreads to go along with it. Now, I ain't got to, right? Because I've got some unmatched put debit spreads. But you know what? I like them. I like put debit spreads. So I'm trying to build me a little wall to the downside. So why would I not buy me some put debit spreads? So let's open this this little deal right here. What crap is all these? Oh yeah, okay. So let's do that. So let's create a duplicate order. Let's change accounts. Pay 203, isn't that right? And see if we can get filled for $9.75. What if they filled me for $9.75? That'd be nice. And we want to do 2 tranches, right? Hey, look at us. Look at us. $9.75. Hey, Mo. Let's go with here. Go MES. So we did 2 tranches. I said that we're going to MES. So we can call this PDS 5. Or what we call it PDS 7. Wouldn't that make it simpler? MP 7 goes with PDS 7? Jeez. I mean, right? So we did the 3,400, 3,350 puts, debit spread, 58, 10, 19, 22. And what was the price? Was it $9.75? Look at us, $9.75. So yeah, that's what we do when we're doing like that. We'll just call them the same and then we'll color them up together. We'll color y'all two up, have it, and look at that, isn't that sweet? They go together like peanut butter and jelly. All right, now what was I doing? What are we doing now? 975. Oh, now we got to, what do we got to do? Oh, we got to make some decisions. Don't we? So now we knew that we needed premium. We needed new trades. So I did a double trancher. Now, you know, the old school us was doing this crap, right? We were doing, well, now do we close something? Remember? Well, hello, ladies. Some of y'all gonna be glad that we don't have the ladies as much as we used to. Look at this, y'all. Well, hello, ladies. 333%. See, this is what y'all were trying to tell me, right? This is what Stacy was trying to tell me. Hey, listen, Bob, if you kind of let these go closer, you'll be able to make more on them. And I was like, yeah. 300%, y'all. Look at this. I mean, we've never had this problem before. And this is why we're doing so well right now, right? So what I'll do is this. It's like we did in the other account. And what you want to do is just kind of see what you got expiring, right? 12 days or more. So I got all this stuff in 12 days that I could start to manage. Let's just put them all on the thing here. Let's put all of our 12-day stuff on the inline statements. How can I do that? I got 12 stuff, right? So here it is. Here's my 12 stuff. We got one. Let's take everything off. Take everything off. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so this is our positions right here, right? If we're looking at all the 12-day stuff. So as of today, we're up $622. If we hang here in the next whatever, we're going to be up $300 more, right? $976. If we have a 5% down move, y'all, we're going to make $1,200. Now we'll be down a little bit on the day, but do y'all see how cool this is? You actually want the market to go down some. I mean, we start losing a little bit if we start going up. So I'm just telling you that it's one of those things that you go, dang, if this ain't good. So let's take everything off again. Let's look at it another way. So some of these put debit spreads are in the money, right? 3,900, 3,850. Look how beautiful that is. Geez, I mean, it's just great. And this one probably has positive theta. Yeah, no need to close it. Let's go to the next one. Let's go take this on. So we'll go to the 3860, 3810. Look at there. Isn't that beautiful? And that one gives us positive theta. No need to take that off. So let's go to the 38. We've done the 3860, 3850. Here's another one, 3770. So let's go 3770, 3720. See what she looks like. So we're up $89 on this one. Still got positive theta, right? We might let them go another day since she's contributing to our theta. We don't need to take off anything that's got positive theta at the moment. 3690, 3640. Here she is. We're up $47 on it, but negative theta. Now, she's given me some protection to the downside, right? But if we hang here, this is a trade that it's a winner now. It's going to turn out to be a winner. And she's got negative theta. Close it. 3690, 3640. Create closing order. Buy that for a credit of $19.25, $19. Boom. Any questions why I close that one? What else we got? That's short. That manages my put debit spreads. Boom, we're done. I'll record those in the spreadsheet. I won't expect y'all to hang around for that. Are y'all excited? I mean, my gosh, I don't think I've ever been more excited about trading than I am right now. How y'all feeling? Everybody good? Everybody's heart content? Pumpkin Man, are you happy? Anybody confused by my recent pivot on management? If you're a little confused on it, do this. Just remember, let the Greeks and buying power guide your decision. Okay? Only look at the things as far as managing that are in your closest expiration. Don't even worry about looking at anything else. Okay? And worst case scenario, I didn't even have to put that put debit spread off, right? I just kind of evaluated, say, let's give me negative theta. I need positive theta, take that off. So if you want to simplify it, do this. If you don't want to go through the analysis I just went through, do this. Just say, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to let my put debit spreads go through expiration. That's all you do, or go the week of expiration. Don't even worry about it. That was 12 days. I didn't have to look at it. I could have left it on, but it started producing a little bit negative theta, while the other ones had positive theta that ran the money. So I'm not going to always take them off because they got negative theta, because the put debit spread naturally has negative theta. So I could have left it on, but it's at the end, take it off. But I would say if you want to simplify strategy, do this. Run your decision making for the forest first. What do you Greeks say? What do you buying power say? Then second, let your put debit spreads go to the week of expiration. That makes it simple, right? Then you can start looking at it. Or just let them go to the day of expiration, then start taking off. Questions? Pumpkin Man is happy. I am too, man. I mean, this is exciting. Can you imagine where else can you be down, 1%, 0.75%, and your account's up? Where else can you do that? And we're long deltas. Mark it down. What's the deal? Those put debit spreads have matured. They have matured. They are in the money. Several of them are in the money. Several of them are making money. So what I just did is closed a couple that may have turned into losers here. No big deal. Now, most of the time, you put debit spreads are not going to make money. Most of the time, but we're in a market right now where they are, baby. They're doing well. And I'm glad to have as many of them puppies on as I possibly can. So I hope you're happy about this strategy. I know it's a little bit confusing because we're not looking at the individual trades as much anymore. But I think if we'll just keep doing this every day, right? Every day, day in, day out, we kind of, ratchet on. I think this alternate management strategy of letting those go to expiration will be simple. It really will. All right, questions or comments? All right, great session, y'all. See you tomorrow. Bye.